Okay, this is how to put on a bumper onto a Triaxys hull. You need a new Triaxys bumper, you need a screwdriver, and you need some grease or Vaseline. This is going to show you. This is how you grease up the screwdriver. Next, you're going to grease up each of the hole of the new bumper. Start at one end and put the bumper in. Then take your screwdriver and pry it onto the next bolt. Then move to the next one. Then to the next one. And just repeat. Just repeat until the bumper is all on, and then now you can bolt the rubber bumper on.